Illustrator. So this is our Illustrator text file. So you're going to have 3 files to choose from. We're going to go in here, and what you guys always have to do is click on the file, click on open a new window, and then what you're going to then do is actually click on download. Once you do that, you will have your files here. So I already have the first file open, and what we're working with on the first file is for us to actually go in and just type your name. So we're going to actually use our type tool. So I actually listed it here. This is our selection tool, and this is our type tool. And what we're going to do is we're going to type our name. And it's nice if you actually use upper and lowercase. So let's go ahead and do upper and lowercase. Oh. Excuse me? No cussing in my class. Thank you very much. Especially when I'm recording. So this is my name. And all I did was type it in with the type tool. And if you guys notice, I said that you guys have to have your name 10 times. So there's different ways that you could actually do this. You could use the Alt key and make a copy and just drag it out so that it actually creates a copy of your name. You can grab 2 of them and then drag them out. So here I have 5. I'm going to make a copy of the 5, so now I have 10. And what we're looking for in this file is for you guys to have both a serif and sans serif font. You guys have to go in there and find a serif and sans serif font. Right now, this is a sans serif font. A sans serif font means it does not have the extra curves. So if we were to actually show you what a serif font with a serif, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to change this to a serif font, and that would be a Palantino or a Times Roman. And what happens is you're going to see all these extra little things here. You're going to see curves and extra dips inside of the actual font. So if we do that, you're going to see that the V over here has a thinner and a thicker line. The E has a thinner and a thicker line. But when we go over here with a sans serif font, all the type is very much the same thickness, and there are no decorations on the edges of the actual letter. So what you guys have to do for this particular assignment is you're going to, with 10 of your names, you're going to go in and you're going to change them. And if you don't have your character set up here, all you have to do is go to Window, Type, and Character. And then it'll show your character. It just hit it because I hit it. And Type and Character, and it brings it up. And then you can click on your name that you just typed. Really? My monitor's acting up. So you can click on your name that you just typed, and then you can start choosing a serif font. So let's look at another serif font. This is Myriad Pro. Myriad Pro is a serif font. Look at the decorations on the end of the S and the T and the V. So we pick another one, and now that we've got Myriad, let's pick another font over here. Wide Latin. Wide Latin has all kinds of serifs on it. Pick another font. This is Georgia. Georgia has some more serifs on it. So these are going to be my serif fonts. My sans serif fonts, I'm going to come over and click it, and I'm going to pick more straight fonts. So here is Arial. Arial is a sans serif font. Sure. Okay. So Arial's a sans serif font. So we're going to look at other sans serif fonts. Here is Eris. Eris is a sans serif font. What's happening with this one is just very straight and simple lines. Once you're done with that, you're going to go ahead and save it as. And you're going to make sure that you list your classroom name. So this is 03 with your last name and your first initial. And you go ahead and click save. And you click OK. And you've just done your first assignment with your name 10 times with 10 different fonts. 5 serif, 5 sans serif. Reason I'm really kind of focusing on serif and sans serif, this will be on your final. You're going to have to be able to identify what has a serif and what doesn't have a serif in a font.